Daddy, what are you writing?
I'm writing my will.
What's the meaning of will?
Well, will is anything you have in form of asset that you would like to be shared among your family members once you are gone, even though I'm not planning to die now.
Wow. Dad, so this is yours?
Yes.
I'm thinking, what of Mom's will?
Oh, that's a nice question.
Mom's will. Not like we are lazy as mothers, just that many mothers has shifted their attention from the most important thing to the less important thing. Introducing to you is our CHAVIVA, located in the heartbeat of ibeju-lekki, right opposite the Pan Atlantic University, right beside the almighty Microsoft Village, and behind the Eleganza factory, 3 minutes drive from the Eleko Junction. What are you waiting for? Take advantage of our Prelaunch offer that runs from now to 29th of September for just 10 million naira for 300 square meters and 15 million naira for just 500 square meters. Residential and commercial plots are actually available. Title document is government allocation CFO. Topography of the land is 100% dry. Are you hearing what I'm telling you now? Yes. Meanwhile, with an initial deposit of just 3 million naira, you can get our 300 square meters, and with a deposit of 5 million naira, you can also get our 500 square meters. What are you waiting for? Call the numbers on your screen right now. Let us get you started. Do not forget, I am Nuellah.
Why are you
Oh, I forgot it.